Peace, family. Peace, family. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I love you. It's a great day. It's a great night. It's a great evening. Welcome. With that being said, smash the like button and subscribe button so we can get the notifications out. If you're on Instagram, share it. If you're on Facebook, share it and like it and comment. Just help me out. Help me brother out. Right? With that being said, hibiscus tea is what we're doing. Paused. This is another edition of 2 Minute Herbs where we go over the health benefits and side effects of different herbs. Today's herb is hibiscus. Hibiscus. The Latin name, I'm going to butcher this. I already know. Hibiscus, oh gosh, Sabdariffa. Sabdariffa. Sabdariffa? That sounds about right. I don't know. I'm so bad with English. Mainly used as tea. So whenever you get it, you normally get it in a tea form. Like if you go to a Jamaican store, they always sell, not always, but usually sell hibiscus tea, hibiscus and ginger tea, you know, stuff like that. Benefits. Packed with antioxidants which protect you from free radicals. Provides aid in a reduction of the pressure of the blood. It makes sense. It lowers your blood pressure. Can help lower blood fat. Why do I keep doing that? Fat. Can help lower blood fat levels. Helps with liver health. Found to promote weight loss. Contains compounds that have been shown to reduce the unstable overgrowth and multiplication of bad cells. Guess what that is? Has antibacterial properties. Some side effects. It's always with overconsumption with anything, but especially with herbs. When you overconsume things, it just goes haywire. So, side effects. Overconsumption of hibiscus tea may cause transient dizziness and fatigue due to its effect on blood pressure. Overconsumption of the capsules and tinctures and powder can cause stomach pain, gas, constipation, nausea, painful urination, headaches, and ringing in the ears. So just don't overuse it. Just make your little tea and get on. Like don't be Superman. Don't be doing that. It's too much. So with that being said, this has been another edition of 2 Minute Herbs. As always, when you are attempting to do another herb, always consult with your physician and doctor and your health practitioner before you do this, because you never know. Everybody different. Everybody DNA different. You don't want to, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I love you guys. And I really do appreciate you guys paying attention. And this is just listening and getting the education. We got to get this out. That being said.